Yo, what's good, babies? How you doing, people? Wish you guys Merry Christmas. Give me 1 second. It's a bit cold here. I need some tea. All right, just give me 2 seconds. All right. Oh yeah, that's a good thing, man. All right, Merry Christmas, guys. I'm happy to be back here. So let's roll the intro and get into this video. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Ginger TV. So it's Christmas time, you know. You just got your gifts. Maybe you got some computer components. Maybe you got some video games, PS4, Xbox One. Maybe you got money, gift cards. I don't know. You get what you want. Anyways, let me tell you why you should why you should build your own computer. Alright, so reason number one. So the reason number one, it's to build a PC. It's very simple. It's super easy to build a PC. It's straightforward, it's super simple. Everything goes in one way or the other. There's no way you can make a mistake. If you make a mistake, like you haven't read the documentation correctly, and even sometimes you don't even have to read the documentation, it's self-explanatory. There's a bunch of videos online to help you build a computer. There's PC guides, there's forums to help you troubleshoot if you have any problem. There's a bunch of resources for you. So all you need for it is this. So this is a screwdriver tip, and this, all it's gonna do is help you just screw everything in. It's either screws or latches that you have to work with. There is no other other mechanism. You don't need a drill, you don't need anything. You just need a screw, and this one has a magnetic tip, and I really suggest you getting one with magnetic tip because it will be super easy to guide this little screws, because you're dealing with super small screws, so this will be helpful. All right, so the first part, it's super simple. Anybody can do it. A 10-year-old can do it, a 15-year-old can do it, a 35 years old can do it, your grandpa can do it, your grandma can do it. I don't know, everybody can do it. All right, so let's go to number two. So now number two, baby. All right, so reason number two is you can upgrade your PC. Let's say you bought an Xbox One X, the best one right now. Probably you can run 4K and everything. Let's say in 5 years, or like in 3 years, probably your games are not gonna run as smooth because the games are gonna become more demanding, the graphics are gonna get better, so your game running are gonna be decreasing. Like, not decreasing, but like they're gonna be harder to run on the Xbox. But a PC, if your game gets slower, just swap the card or like the processor or the RAM, add more storage, and bada boom, you're ready to go to play another like 2 years if you want. So this is exactly what I'm doing with my PC. I'm changing legit maybe 4 parts only. I'm changing CPU, motherboard, RAM, and graphics card. This is exactly what I'm doing. So instead of buying everything brand new, which you can of course, I'm saving, like, I can save at least 3 parts, which are the power supply, my storage, which are SSD and a hard drive, and also my case. But I'm gonna change my case because it's a small one, so I'm saving 2 parts. And these 2 parts can vary from can cost you approximately $150 to $200. That's a lot of money you can save. So that's why you can upgrade it along the line. Like if you want to change something, you can change it easily. But with a console or with a pre-built PC, it's hard to change because the components used are super limited to the specifics of this device. So with a custom build, with a custom PC, you can do whatever you want because you've built it with your own hands. So you know exactly where goes where and what goes here and what doesn't go here, you know? So that's it. Let's go to number three. Number three, what is it again? I forgot. Let me look. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Bye. All right, so I'm back. Number three. Give me 1 second. I need a sip of tea. Yeah, it's cold. We're in Canada, so it's winter here. It's pretty cold today. So give me my tea. Sorry for this. Sorry for the interruption. I know you were having so much fun watching my videos. Of course you had. That's why you smashed the like button right now. Yes, you did. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you did now. Okay, got you. Number three, you'll be learning so much with building your PC. Honestly, before building my first PC, I was like, what the hell is this? I don't know how to do it, my friend. So you'll be learning so much. I've watched probably like 200 videos how to build a PC, what component to choose, what component not to choose. I've read on forum, I went on Reddit, I've went everywhere. There's so much resources that you can find and learn from it. So you'll be learning so much, but not only for you, but for everybody else in your surroundings. So if your friend wants a new PC, you can actually go and help him and suggesting, bro, get this or don't get this. Yo, homie, you have to get this because you're rich. Yo, homie, I think with the budget you have, you can get this and this. You're more knowledgeable and you will learn so much more with just building your first PC. Another thing is you will be more confident with your skills of building a PC and replacing something or fixing something if something goes wrong with yours. So let's say my monitor went just black. What the hell happened? I don't know. You don't know. But now I'm more confident. I'm not scared to go open my PC and see what's wrong. A monitor going bad, it's probably just the graphics card burned or like something happened with the graphics card. You know this because you've built your PC and you know exactly what the graphics cards do. So you can go ahead and just change the graphics card or play with it. So that's why you will learn a lot with building a PC and gain confidence at the same time. Alright, so these are the 3 reasons why you should build a PC. Have you built your PC yet or not? Comment down below and let me know. If you think there is more reasons to why you should build a PC, let me know as well in the comments down below. Please, you know what you have to do. I want YouTube to like me. I'm starting a new channel. It's hard nowadays, but I want to do it. So go down below, here, I think. Go here, yes, here. There's a thumbs up. Click it if you liked the video, of course. If you liked it, click it. If you didn't like it, tell me what you didn't like so I can improve. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is Ginger TV, and subscribe for more videos like this. Ginger TV signing out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.